Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And let's do your love read now. Let's see how you're doing, Virgo, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And yes, Virgo, if you're new here, first timer, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So newbies, Virgos, I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. For the duration of this reading, Virgo, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. You can decide which side you resonate best with. If this is your story, you'll know, right? And this is one action card for person A and action card for person B. So bottom of my deck, overall energy is the Hanged Man. So things could be a bit stuck at the moment, Virgo, or maybe just trying to figure out how to do things, taking stock of, all perspectives here. Let me just see the cards. 8 of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Here we have the Devil and the Moon. Okay, so somebody still has a lot of love here, but they feel somebody or something is walking away from their life. On person B's end, they feel this connection became too stagnant. Too many secrets are out now. I know everything. There's nothing hidden in the dark. At least from their perspective, they feel they know it all. And they're deciding that it's best that I release something, either a person or the situation or some toxicity which they feel has come into this connection. So let's see, Virgo, let's start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. They could say something to each other. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person. Okay, good to go, Virgo. The first card here, Virgo, says, I would be honored to give you children. The love is there. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Maybe these were promises made but not kept, and that's the reason somebody's walked away from this connection. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. But maybe a little late, because I think this realization has come only after somebody's walked away, that, oh my God, this is my love, this is the person I love, and somebody here is having a lot of regrets for maybe the way they've behaved, or I wonder if there's someone else who can make you happier than I can. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. So 2 cards in reference to people being scared of the connection, as to how intense it feels and how powerful it feels, and yet somebody seems to be walking away from it. So Virgo, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, see how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a blessing. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. The card I have for you, Virgo, is stress management. I do see somebody in deep sorrow here, feeling quite depressed here. It's time to take care of yourself. If you, Virgo, you're the one who's going through all this stress, you have to kind of work on it. Maybe take a walk, do some yoga, or talk to someone, maybe your parent or a friend. Take some action to, manage the stress that you're feeling at the moment. Nothing lasts forever, please. And this card flipped out earlier when I just started shuffling. I put it back, but it's shown up again. I think it's time for you to, kind of mother yourself a little bit. It's time to take care of yourself. Just as a mother would to a child, you need to spend some time taking care of you. Anyway, so let's start with the energy of person A, Virgo. Let's start, see how they're doing first. Then we'll go on to the other side. You could be on either side, you would know. So for me, I'm reading two energies, person A and person B. So we start with person A. Eight of Cups, Spirit. Eight of Cups, why are they feeling in the Eight of Cups energy? Oh, they feel they made a very unwise decision. And they've lost the love of the person that they love the most. Maybe there's some blockages here. Oh my God, Ace of Cups again. So, yes, Ace of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups. The love is there. But yet, I think somebody walked away. They didn't take action. They didn't do the right thing. Now they're feeling they made a very unwise decision because they seem to have lost the love of the person they loved the most. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? They have a lot of regrets, a lot of sorrow for the way things have gone down between the two of you. Yes, they were feeling ungrounded, or they never stepped up to the plate. They never took action. They never brought any stability to the connection. They didn't want to be burdened maybe with responsibility. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Something came out here. I don't know, there was either somebody asked them to commit or have equal give and take in a connection. Instead of being honest here, somebody decided to drop the connection. And now they have a lot of regret and sorrow. But yes, they feel they made some very immature decisions here, and these decisions have kind of backfired on them now, big time. Because I have the same card here, Five of Swords in reverse. And because now, oh my God, person A is feeling whatever they've done, whatever action they didn't take in the past is backfiring on them. They do want to heal this connection though. They do want to end the fight. They don't want this to end completely. They're realizing that they haven't done justice. They do want luck to favor them again, or things to start moving again after things were absolutely not just in the past. Person A, who Virgo, could be an fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person does want to take action now. They want to transform this connection, have a brand new beginning, but not feeling loved at the moment. They feel they've lost the love. After all these secrets, that whatever has been revealed in this connection, they feel they've lost their chance and things have really stagnated. And they do want to come out of this. They don't want to feel regret for the rest of their life. They've done something. Either they didn't take responsibility, or they didn't make a decision, they were breadcrumbing you, or something this person did, who now has a lot of regret and sorrow. Where did that card go? They have a lot of regret and sorrow about what has gone down, but they don't want to be in this position forever. They want to come out of this now. They don't want this connection to end. In fact, they want to transform this connection, because they feel they've lost the love of their life, and this behavior has actually backfired on them, because they've lost love, priceless love. So what action person A will finally take, I'll open later, Virgo. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So for person B, they have the Devil in reverse. They are ready to drop anything that's toxic in their life, maybe checking out other options. They feel they feel their person made a fool out of them, always kept them confused, but now they know the truth. The secrets are out. They know what, at least that's how they feel. They feel, I know the exact thing that was going on here. This person was making an idiot out of me. They were keeping me confused. And yes, I feel betrayed. I feel it's all ended now after understanding what was really going on. Yes, they feel the same way. They feel that person was only playing mind games on them and making them feel small, making them feel like a loser, and never allowing them to talk or ask any questions, because they would mind manipulate them to feeling, not now, or not my way or the highway, or, always making them feel that they were the boss. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? They got some clarity regarding something. Oh my God, okay. What was this, Spirit? What was this? They ended something. They ended something after getting some clarity. They felt that person was an emperor in reverse, always trying to pretend like they are the boss, which they were not, and always pretending to have more power in the situation, which they never had. They were trying to be a false dictator, always pretending that they had everything in control, which they never did. And as this clarity came to person B, they kind of decided to end the chapter here and hold back from this connection. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Yes, they feel that their partner never really put in any investment. They never really put in any effort. And once that realization came to person B, they started to hold back as well. Realizing that there's nothing being offered here. There is no stable brand new beginning. There is nothing concrete being offered here. It's best that I shut this chapter and maybe start something new for myself, or start a brand new chapter of my life, and hold back from this connection, release this toxicity which has come into my life, because I always thought and expected this person to be vibrant, to be an emperor and come and take charge of our connection. But now I know the truth, and I feel betrayed by it. I feel that they always kind of kept me in a confused state of mind, and considered me just as one option in their life, made a fool out of me. So Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Yes, the person B realized that this was not on offer. This long-term emotional happiness was not on offer. At least that's how they are seeing the connection now. And that's the reason they are now feeling it's best that I kind of release. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? How do they feel about this relationship or connection? Empress in reverse. I think person B feels there is no growth in this connection. There is no future. This is too imbalanced. It's not coming into, that equilibrium. Maybe they fear that there are... One more, Spirit, for the Empress in reverse. Yeah, they feel there's too much competition here. They feel if I do go back to person A, I'll again be stuck in competition. I'll again be stuck in third parties. It won't be a balanced connection. So why should I even bother to, put my mind there to grow or have a future with them. They feel that person doesn't put in the work to have balance or a equal kind of a give and take relationship. So person B is kind of making up their mind that I don't want it, maybe because even if I return, what is the guarantee? What is the I don't want to be stuck in that same loop of third parties and competitions and fighting and arguing and all that. Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse. How do they feel about this connection, Spirit? Yes, see, now I think the person B is quite sad and depressed, and they feel the best thing to do is release this toxic energy from my life, or this toxicity from my life. This is a huge shock for person B. They didn't expect it. They didn't expect that this day would come where they will have to make that decision. It's actually making them very sad that they now have to choose, they have to make that decision to bring in a tower moment and say, hey, okay, no more. One more for the Magician. Yes, they feel the person was only creating illusions in their life. This is like an epiphany that the person B has got, that this was toxic, this is a tower which needs to end. My person was only creating illusions. In reality, this person is a player who never wants to commit, who just will keep flitting in and out of my life maybe. But this is all being thought in their sadness and depression and feeling rejection, this kind of energy. So they could be wrong, I don't know, because I do see person A having regrets, and actually they do have love for person B. I don't see them as a player, or it's just that they didn't maybe invest when the time was right, or they didn't put in the effort, they didn't do the right thing at the right time. So let's see, person A, will you take any action towards person B? This person is also stressed out. Person A is also having a lot of sleepless nights. They are worried. They are having nightmares. Because they know that they have a very strong attachment to person B. They are very physically, emotionally, spiritually drawn to person B's energy, and they are worried now that if I don't make the choice now, then I'm going to lose the love of my life. They will come. I think person A, the action person A will take, they are going to come and come with some emotions, reveal their emotional self, and maybe make an offer. Be open with their emotions. Heart of hearts, I think person A really truly does love person B. They want to come with a romantic offer. I don't know whether it's going to go to the Ten of Pentacles because they're still showing up as a knight. They want to profess their love, but are they strong enough to be a king and take charge? I am not sure yet. But this is a start, right? I mean, the knight does grow into a king. So if the intentions are right, there is a big possibility because they have a lot of love in their heart for person B. So yes, person A may take this action towards person B very soon. They want to transform whatever's gone wrong in this connection. So person B, will you take any action towards person A now? King of Wands in reverse. Person B is stuck on that thought that their person is very selfish and doesn't expect them to take action. They feel their person is... they want them to fight for them. Yes, they do want... heart of hearts, person B feels that person A never takes that action towards me. They are selfish, they're self-centered, they are only looking out for themselves. For a change, I want to be the one here standing. I want them to fight for me. I want them to come and win me over. This is the action person B wants from person A. Come and fight for me. If you love me, come and get me. Am I right, Spirit? Till then, I think they are waiting. They are stuck. Both of you are stuck on each other. Yes, they want to come out also of this feeling that there is no second chance, and they want to come out of this anxiety. The stress management has to be released by both of you. Both of you need to come out of your heads of overthinking, fearing that the other partner is maybe judging them, or there will be a no second chance given here. This overthinking, Virgo, has to stop now from both of you. Stress management, and the only way to do that is be open and honest. This lack of communication which is going on, Virgo, is what is leading to this delay. And if this continues, it can end this connection, or you can transform it. The choice is yours. This holding back, being defensive, and all that is release holding back. That's what Spirit is saying. It's time to release holding back, because there is a big chance of reconciliation. I think you both have thought long and hard about what truly makes you happy, Virgo, and heart of hearts, you both know that it's each other, right? So go for it. Don't stay in this stress management. Manage this stress. Get out of your head. It's time to bring some nurturing, loving, caring back into this connection. Be honest and open with each other. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. I hope it worked for you. Do let me know. And till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.